Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a Chat GPT-4 expert in 5 minutes and get the results that you want. If you're having trouble using AI, if you're not sure the prompts to put in, I'm going to show you a really simple way today and show you some of the results from it that will get you better answers and allow you to do exactly what you want with Chat GPT. It's really easy to do, and I'll walk you through it and some examples as well. If you like this video, do like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're interested in building income streams, escaping the 9 to 5, do subscribe. You're going to love the content coming up. I'm producing a lot of content on how to use AI to create income streams properly so they can make you money. In fact, you'll find in the description, if you're interested in going further, there's a course I've created called the AI Income Goldmine, where I guide you through how to create 3 of my favorite income streams. So do check that out. They're income streams that I've actually set up before AI, and now they're so much easier with AI. So if you don't like doing loads of writing, all of that stuff, if you just want something that you can follow nice and easy, check it out. It's in the description, but there's not a lot of time left on the timer for the discounted price, but I'll leave that in the description, and there's a video that explains everything. Okay, so on with this video. What are we doing? I'll show you a really simple way, as I say, less than 5 minutes, where you can become a ChatGPT expert in terms of the prompting. So what I mean by that, we all know that when you go to ChatGPT, your results, your answers are all down to the prompts that you enter into the AI. And how do you know the best prompts? Well, trial and error, thinking, like having a conversation with AI, asking exactly for what you want, and pre-framing can all help. But how do you get really good results if you're still struggling? You can do this. As you can see here, you can actually tell AI, you are now my personal prompt expert for ChatGPT-4. You help me write prompts that will give me exactly what I need. Do you understand? You could also go further and expand on that. So you could say, I want your answers to be step by step. I want them to be numbered lists. So if you want the answers in a certain format, you could add it in there. Main point is you're actually pre-framing ChatGPT as your prompt expert. And I always like to say, ask, do you understand? Because then it will give you, yes, I understand. As your personal prompt expert, I'm here to help you craft prompts that will yield the desired responses from ChatGPT-4. Please let me know what kind of information or assistance you're looking for, and I'll help you create an effective prompt to achieve your goal. And here we go. I've just got some examples for you here. I want a prompt that will help me pick a unique niche for an affiliate site with low competition and loads of searches, and a niche that will pay over $50 per sale. If you'll notice, I didn't tell ChatGPT to do this. I said I want a prompt. And the prompt that came back, so to craft a prompt that will help you identify a unique niche, this was the prompt. Please suggest a unique and low competition niche for an affiliate website that receives a high volume of searches and offers over $50 per sale, and so on. So you can see on the screen, it actually gives me the prompt. And then I copy and paste that prompt. And you can see here, it's given me one unique and low competition niche is high-end smart home security systems. Got a high volume of searches. The products in this niche have higher price points: smart locks, home automation systems, smart doorbells, security system monitoring services. Okay, so and you using that prompt that it gave me, it allows me to know that I'm getting better answers. Here's another one, and this is quite cool. Look, give me a prompt to help me build an online business that pays $300 a day. Help me pick the business, break down where the sales come from, and amount earned per day. To create a prompt that will do this, it's said, please recommend a viable online business. So this is the prompt it's recommending. Please recommend a viable online business model that has the potential to generate a consistent income of $300 per day. Provide a detailed breakdown, product or service option, sources of revenue, and so on. And then I copy and pasted that prompt, and it gave me online courses, and it told me about product and service offerings and how I could do that. The sources of revenue with some examples, daily earning projection, so it actually gave me some examples as well. Establishing and growing the business. And again, you could go further. The other thing that you want to do with ChatGPT is you're never going to get everything that you need in one answer. You then continue the conversation and say, give me a prompt that will help me send traffic to the website using the plan above. Give me a prompt on some ideas to set up my own online course. What ideas could I start with? Okay. Give me a prompt that will help me spot my interests and whether I've got enough information to build a course around it. So the main point is, when using Chat GPT, if you're struggling with using it, make it into your prompting expert and just ask for a prompt that you need, and ChatGPT will actually give you the prompt that you need. If you want to go even more advanced, make sure that you set the criteria of how you want it displayed, whether you want bullet point lists, whether you want numbered lists, whether you want step by step, and you'll get far better results with ChatGPT. And it's a great way to become an expert in 5 minutes, or just for beginners to use and get better results with it. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this has given you some value. If it has, give us a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.